this is your space. We're going to be creating a concert that is in the spirit of Sephardic music, which is all about community. It's not about perfection, far from it. It's about being together and belonging. So this is our time together. Please use it as makes sense for you. If you want to clap along, please clap. If you want to sing along, we'll have lyrics back here. If you're familiar with the songs, please sing. If you're inclined to get up and dance, that would be amazing at some point. So this time is yours, and we're really excited to be here with you. So with that in mind, we're going to bring your voices in with a song called Barmeenan. Can everybody say that for me? Barmeenan. Very nice. It means God forbid. Kind of like keep things far from us, like the evil eye, right? So in this song called Barmeenan, you'll be singing the word Barmeenan, and I'm not gonna teach it to you. I think you'll catch it pretty easily. So here we go. Thank you so much. Merci mucho. Thank you.